Welcome all. This is our lecture 39, and in this lecture we will cover the topic editing a spreadsheet. How can we edit a particular spreadsheet? How can we add, delete and insert a particular element in a particular cell? And by chance, if we have put wrong data in a wrong cell, then what operation we can perform to correct this one. Editing a spreadsheet, we can edit the particular number available in a particular cell. We can change the labels, or even we can change the formulas in a spreadsheet. We can edit the physical layout of the spreadsheet, as we can add a particular cell, or we can delete a particular entire row, entire column, or a particular cell by selecting these particular one. Suppose we have these four different cells with us. We have put 1, 2, 4, 3, and anytime we have seen that this data is wrong here, so you can delete this particular one by clicking the mouse on this, or by select this particular one, or you can directly delete the entire cell, entire column as well, as per your need. Editing data in a cell, this is very simple to edit a data in a cell. Suppose this is a cell. Here you have put the value 4, and by times you come to know that this is wrong. Here you have to put the 2. Then by double clicking here with your mouse, a particular cursor will blink here, and by the backspace or delete button, you can delete this particular data from the cell and enter the new one in this. The new one in this. Okay. You can edit the data of a particular cell by clicking on the formula bar, as whatever as you will click on a particular cell, then whatever is available in the cell will be displayed in the ribbon where formula bar is seen. Then this particular is shown here, and by clicking the mouse here, from here you can also change the data of a particular cell. So these are some ways you can directly put your cursor on in the cell where you want to edit, or you can edit it by clicking on formula bar. You can select any one of the method. Both are convenient. Changing the size of row and columns with the mouse. You can easily change the size of a particular row and column and a particular cell by using mouse. This is the theory. You can see on your screen. You can check these operations in the practical part also. In this playlist, the practical part is also available. So by using these videos, you can easily understand how can we edit the size of a particular cell. Here you can check. Suppose this is our Excel and we want to increase the size of this particular cell. Then when you will put your cursor on mouse over on the joint of these particular cells, then the our arrow shaped mouse will convert in a different sign, sometimes look like this. Okay, and by dragging this one you can change the size of a particular cell. Okay, this is most easy. This is the easiest way to increase the size. Or if you want to change the size of a particular cell in a total workbook, then you can change it by going in the designing. Okay, designing the or editing the worksheet. Editing and deleting rows and columns. This is also very simple. First of all, you have to select the particular row and column which you want to delete, and then right click on that particular, and there you will find an option button, delete entire row, delete entire column. You will select these particular options as per your need and perform the deleting rows and column operation. Okay, as I have told you, first of all you have to click on home tab, then click on the particular row. This step you can perform when you want to delete the entire column. If you want to delete this entire column, then click on the ribbon or in the label of a particular column, and this will select the entire column, and by clicking the right mouse right click, you will find option delete entire column. You have to select OK, and this will delete your entire column. We can repeat, we can use this particular operation with the row as well. Okay, so class, today we have learned how can we add, how can we delete a particular row, particular column, or a particular cell. Okay, and how can we insert and how can we change the data of a particular cell as well. Okay class, So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.